What if I told you that your WhatsApp account could be targeted today? Not because someone found a magical hacking app, but because cyber criminals know how to trick people. Every month, thousands of users lose access to their WhatsApp accounts through phishing scams, fake websites, malware, and social engineering. The good news is that once you understand these tactics, you're much harder to fool. In today's video, we'll cover 12 of the most common methods attackers use to compromise WhatsApp accounts and, most importantly, how you can protect yourself. Stay until the end because the final security tip could save your account. The first method is phishing websites. This is one of the oldest and most effective tricks. Attackers create fake WhatsApp login pages or fake customer support websites that look almost identical to the real thing. Victims are tricked into entering personal information or verification codes. Before entering any information, always double-check the website address and never trust links sent through unexpected messages. The second method is verification code scams. When someone tries to register your phone number on another device, WhatsApp sends a 6-digit verification code to your phone. Scammers often contact victims pretending to be friends, family members, or even WhatsApp support, claiming they accidentally sent the code to your number. They ask you to forward it back to them. The moment you share that code, they can attempt to register your account. Remember this simple rule: never share your verification code with anyone. Third is SIM swapping. Instead of attacking WhatsApp directly, criminals target your mobile phone number. They may use stolen personal information to convince your mobile carrier to transfer your number to a SIM card they control. Once they receive your calls and text messages, they may attempt to register your WhatsApp account. If your phone suddenly loses network service without explanation, contact your mobile carrier immediately. The fourth method is malware. Cybercriminals distribute malicious apps disguised as games, utilities, or productivity tools. Once installed, some malware attempts to steal sensitive information or monitor device activity. Download apps only from trusted app stores, avoid installing unknown APK files, and keep your device updated with the latest security patches. Number 5 is unofficial WhatsApp mods. Many websites advertise modified versions of WhatsApp with extra themes, hidden features, or advanced privacy settings. While some may appear harmless, unofficial apps can expose users to malware, spyware, or account suspension. Using the official WhatsApp application is always the safest choice. The sixth method involves WhatsApp web QR code scams. WhatsApp Web lets you connect your account to a computer by scanning a QR code. Attackers sometimes create fake login pages displaying fraudulent QR codes. If you scan one, you could unintentionally link your account to the attacker's browser. Always access WhatsApp Web through the official website and regularly review the list of linked devices inside your account settings. Number 7 is public Wi-Fi abuse. While WhatsApp messages are protected by end-to-end encryption, attackers on insecure Wi-Fi networks may attempt phishing attacks, fake login portals, or malware distribution. Avoid entering sensitive information on public networks unless you trust the connection or use a reputable VPN. The eighth method is credential reuse. Many people reuse the same password across multiple online services. If one of those services experiences a data breach, attackers may try those same credentials elsewhere. Although WhatsApp primarily uses phone number verification, compromised email accounts linked to your device or cloud backups can still increase your risk. A password manager can help generate unique passwords for every account. Number 9 is fake customer support. Scammers impersonate banks, delivery companies, government agencies, or WhatsApp support representatives. They often claim there's a problem with your account and ask for verification codes, personal details, or payment information. Legitimate organizations will never ask you to reveal your private verification code. The 10th method is physical access to your phone. If someone gets hold of an unlocked device, even for a few minutes, they may access conversations, link new devices, or change important account settings. Protect your phone with a strong PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition, and enable remote device location and wipe features whenever available. Number 11 is social engineering. This isn't about breaking security software, it's about manipulating people. Attackers collect information from social media profiles, previous data breaches, or public records to make their scams appear convincing. They may pretend to be someone you know, mention personal details,